Many people in Navajo Nation are living without access to transmitted power, and so what we do is we bring in Goal Zero solar systems.
The student solar installs, which we call Skip the Grid, that take place on student homes, provide solar power to homes that don't have electricity. And these homes have been dwellings that have been occupied by generations of the family.
There are 4 100-watt solar panels, battery, and 2 lights. This is a game changer because these homes are mostly fueled by generators, kerosene lamps, and so we're providing a free resource by installing these systems. We work with parent resource counselors at Red Mesa School District who find the student homes for us, and that allows us to go into the homes safely and install these systems where in a matter of 45 minutes, they have a free solar energy powering their homes, and by a flip of a switch, they've got clean energy. One of the things that is really unique about our relationship with Heart of America is not only are we doing the education packs and resources that are being distributed out throughout Navajo Nation, but also with a brand new STEAM lab that we have at Red Mesa Elementary and High School.
The new STEAM lab at Red Mesa provides so much opportunity for the community, for the educators, and most importantly, the students. This STEAM lab is chock full of the most modern resources, from hands-on learning with Legos and Tinker-type toys, also technology, advanced technology, AR, VR, which is augmented reality, virtual reality, green screens, robotics for all ages, very simple robots and bots they call them, all the way up to more complex. It also provides iPads, some smart TVs, and flipboards where they can create, discover, and really put forth some of their best creative thinking.
It features our Good Energy Corner where students can learn more about utility scale solar and also do our fun solar lesson and earn a patch. They can learn about the 2 projects in their community, Kayenta 2 and Red Mesa. They can see this right in their backyard and feel very proud.
The decor, the color, from the furniture, which is flexible, allowing them to work individually or in groups together. It is a lab that can be cleared out for active learning and assembled for more traditional learning. So it is the perfect learning environment in advanced STEM activities.
We did a day of STEAM while we were here right before the ribbon cutting. One of the best moments was when we were featuring a very similar system that is out on their homes during Skip the Grid. I had asked if any of the students had a system like this on their home, and there was one girl that raised her hand and said that we installed a system there last spring when we were here.
Solar panels and solar energy powering these homes provides a clean energy, clean air quality environment, but most importantly, it allows them to work and do their homework after the sun goes down. By installing clean and renewable energy on the roof, it saves them money, it's a free resource, and it's a reliable resource. Not only allows students to do their homework, that we've heard students are painting at night, they're creating, they're helping create and learn jewelry making from their grandparents, as well as traditional sewing and basket weaving. And that is so important, not only for the families, because those can be income sources, but also in terms of passing on cultural traditions.
Our focus in our community outreach is based in environmental justice and education. Everyone deserves access to equitable clean power and also to education, and we feel by partnering with Heart of America, bringing these resources to the school district and to the community is just continuing what really our mission is at SOLV Energy, and we're really proud of that.